Hi friends, welcome back to my IGTV. Today I will be talking on a very important topic that most of the mothers face, and that is whether they should make their babies wear diapers if they have a sensitive skin. So let's get the video started. Most of the newborn babies or babies below 1 year have very sensitive skin, and they are very reactive whenever you wear them a diaper. So mothers make a mistake of putting their babies in cloth nappies the entire day, thinking that is the only better option. But I believe that that can be more unhygienic because of the mess that the pee and poo makes all around. It can be very unhygienic for the baby's skin, your clothes, your bed sheets, your house, your flooring, everything gets messed up. So according to me, diapers are far more a better option as compared to making the babies wear only cloth nappies the whole time. But having said that, the baby is having sensitive skin, then you have to take care of certain things before you get them into diaper. So you need to first classify whether your baby is actually having a sensitive skin or a normal skin. Normal skin type is that which is less reactive or not reactive to any introduction of new things to the skin contact. If the reaction happens twice or thrice, it's okay. That doesn't mean that it's a sensitive skin. Any reaction that is happening frequently, like a redness or a patchiness, itchiness, fluffiness, some sort of rashes in a particular area, that is when you can call it as a sensitive skin. So you need to identify that. If it is a normal skin type, then you don't need to do much about it, but if it is sensitive, then you need to take care of the points that I will be sharing. Firstly, you have to invest in a very good diaper brand, because that is most important if you want to wear your baby a diaper. There are a lot of brands in the market which are specially made for babies having sensitive skin, very skin friendly, also environment friendly. Go for that diapers, invest in those diapers. So whenever you wear a good quality diaper which is specifically made for your baby's sensitive skin, then that will not show reaction as much as a local brand diaper that you might use. So don't fall into that. Second is that always manage your baby's diaper changing time. You have to identify how much pee your baby is doing, pee or poop your baby is doing. If the baby's diaper is getting full in 3 hours or 4 hours, then you have to change the diapers much early and not wait for it to get full. You apply a diaper rash cream to your baby, because it is most important that the area where the diaper is coming in contact with the skin is well lubricated, and it can kill the bacteria and the germs in that area caused by pee and poo. Some parents believe that diaper rash cream doesn't work well with their baby's sensitive skin, and it still shows reaction. So in that case, if you want to opt for a natural remedy, then cold pressed coconut oil works great, at least in my opinion, because I have been using it religiously for Avir, and touch wood, he has never got any rash, diaper rash or anything of that sort. It has got very nice antibacterial properties, because of which the baby's skin remains smooth and there is no reaction to the skin, and it makes the skin really soft. Then the next point is that you need to give some diaper free time to your baby, meaning you can keep the baby without a diaper for maybe 4 to 5 hours in a day. Give a suitable, a reasonable diaper free time to your baby, so that the skin breathes, it gets the proper oxygen in all the areas, and it doesn't throw any reaction. If all these pointers are not working well for you, then you can switch to wearing cloth diapers. Again, there are a lot of brands in the market. Please opt for something that is completely organic and 100% natural. So these are the few pointers that I have experienced and has worked well. So do let me know if you have any more suggestions with respect to baby's sensitive skin. Thank you and bye-bye.